are the collective consciousness of the wolves. The wolf. Mostly what we would like to say, we have spoken through this one many times, is that your human reality now is coming to a space where you will find yourselves engaging more and more, looking for what we would call your pack, your community. And if you would be like a wolf in knowing that every member of the community is equally important, that every member of the community has equal value, that every member of the community makes an important contribution, that includes you and everyone else, if you would embrace all the members of your community, you would find yourself, when you come back out into the world and reconnect with your pack, that your experience will be so much more enjoyable for you and all others. You would never need to have an enforced type of lockdown again if you could value all the people around you and contribute to others around you feeling valued. Ask from within yourself how you can be like a healthy wolf pack, all taking care of one another, all supporting one another, knowing that if the whole of the pack is healthy and strong, the whole pack will always be healthy and strong. And if every individual member of the pack is healthy and strong, the whole pack will be healthy and strong. For this is the way it is in the healthy wolf pack. Leaders eat first and are always the first for the strongest, because it must be so, but not because they are more important. Mothers and babies, juniors, eat second, because they are the future of the pack, and because they must be kept strong. The weakest eat last, not because they are unimportant, but because we know that the vitality of the pack requires the others to maintain strength. Nonetheless, portions and rations are always provided to the weakest. They are never forgotten. They are not left behind unless the pack cannot survive with them. And that is a rare occasion. That is when one member chooses to complete their journey. Now, if you could allow yourself to look at your small communities and start to see and emulate this kind of an experience in the sense that all members are equally important and all members have a significant role and all members support the good of the whole, you would be learning lessons, wise lessons from the wolf. And this is what we wish to share with you today. And we would be happy to share a transmission of knowledge and wisdom for those who would like it as a way to complete the evening. But we would also be greatly appreciative for the opportunity to demonstrate to you that we, like you, also value freedom. And we would like to remind you that your freedom is irrevocable. There is not a wolf among us who does not know this. Of course, we choose to live in the wild, but inherently we know it. And we want to remind you that you are always free, even if it might appear that forces around you make it seem as if it is not so.